What's up, guys? It's your boy WEnisTV. We're out here in good old Louisiana. We're at one of the old spots. Cops haven't came yet. It's been a good day. It's the weekend right after Ride of the Century. We're out here chilling, kicking it, having a good old time. It's me and Can't Wheelie Bro, and we're just trying to get a little progression session in. I actually want to make this video a how-to video on how to scrape. So I've already went over a few things. I feel like it's something that I'm learning, so like I'm learning as I'm teaching you guys, and I think I pretty much got it. I can't gorilla scrape like all y'all killers yet, but it's coming, it's on its way. Another thing I wanted to talk about was I actually entered a raffle the other day. I won a fucking sweet ass 636, so y'all stay tuned for that video. Once I get the bike, I'm gonna go ahead and make a little video of that. Okay, I don't know why I can't think right now, but I'm gonna do like a feature of that and then start riding that bike. I might go ahead and send this to my homie's house, let him start tearing it down for me and rebuild it. So that's in the works. I need to get the Harley worked on. I got a lot of shit going on, but like I said, let's go ahead and get this how-to video rolling. Check it out. So earlier I was fucking trying to do this, and I figured, you know what, I'm gonna make a video of it, because I'm just learning myself. You know, I've been riding for a long time, but I've never been a big scrape guy, never been a big street guy. I've always done the parking lot shit, and here lately I've been riding streets, so whatever, it is what it is. But what I think you need to do is, like, in second gear, that's how I'm doing it in the lot, second gear, which is pretty sketchy because I don't have that much room, but it's better than trying it, learning it on the street. My recommendation for you is to go find a decent sized little parking lot, something to learn in. That way you don't hurt yourself on the street, or God forbid get ran over or something. But let's try this again. Go ahead, pop in second, make sure your brake's there. Don't need to be getting no brake fade. So I was riding the brake before I was coming back, but let's just let it scrape. Bam, come back down. Scrape, come back down. Try this again. Ah, fucker. Keep on pulling in the fucking clutch like an idiot. Don't pull in the clutch, people. It's the last thing you want to do.
Shut the fuck up. No one cares. Know your fucking place, trash.
And like I said, I'm learning with y'all. Let's learn how to scrape today, boys. I'm pretty sure Brian636 has a video, but I have not watched it yet because I've never been one to scrape. But I picked up one of these sweet ass fucking round bars from Rob Stunts, Homegrown Industries. Sweet ass titanium, that way at night your homies can see you lighting up the whole town. So let's go ahead and I'll post that link down below, and I'll go ahead and post a picture of it up above. And yeah, y'all make sure to go get one. I'm not getting no money out of it, so I don't care if you'll get one or not, but I got one.
Okay. Now they used to, I don't know what happened, man. They used to let the guys come over here and ride on their bikes or whatever. But the director said just in case somebody fall and hurt themselves, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So he shut that down, and he comes over here on Sunday. So I just want to come tell y'all that I don't want him jumping my ass and not coming over here and letting y'all know.
Okay.
It's cool with me, man, because I ride bikes. I don't give a damn. I just don't want him to come and jump my ass. Could be a bunch of guys out there. They were out here for a while.
Yeah.
All right, that's cool, man. Appreciate it. Yeah, I just don't want to. I don't want to get no shit. I got you. All right, man. Y'all be careful.
Yeah, man. Take it easy. Well,